Welcome to Research School Borwala's YouTube channel, your source for informative and engaging videos on education and learning. In this video, we will be delving into the complex and challenging issue of learning disabilities and exploring the latest treatments and strategies for overcoming the challenges they pose. Whether you or someone you know is struggling with dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, or another type of learning disability, this video is packed with insights and practical advice that can help you achieve academic and personal success. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn everything you need to know about learning disabilities and how to overcome them. Learning disabilities are a group of neurological disorders that affect a person's ability to learn and process information. Individuals with learning disabilities often have difficulty with one or more of the following: reading, writing, math, or attention. These challenges can make it difficult for students to keep up with their peers and can lead to frustration and low self-esteem. The causes of learning disabilities are not fully understood. However, researchers believe that a combination of genetic and environmental factors may contribute to the development of these disorders. Factors such as premature birth, low birth weight, exposure to toxins, and brain injuries can all increase the risk of developing a learning disability. Learning disabilities can manifest in a variety of ways, affecting different areas of learning. There are several types of learning disabilities that individuals may experience. These include dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, auditory processing disorder, language processing disorder, nonverbal learning disabilities, and visual perceptual/visual motor deficit. Dyslexia is a type of learning disability that affects a person's ability to read and write. Individuals with dyslexia may have difficulty recognizing words, spelling, and reading fluently. This can make it challenging for them to keep up with their peers in the classroom. Dysgraphia is a type of learning disability that affects a person's ability to write. Individuals with dysgraphia may have difficulty with handwriting, spacing, and organizing their thoughts on paper. This can make it difficult for them to express themselves in written form. Dyscalculia is a type of learning disability that affects a person's ability to understand and work with numbers. Individuals with dyscalculia may have difficulty with basic arithmetic, recognizing patterns, and solving math problems. This can make it challenging for them to succeed in math-related courses. Auditory processing disorder is a type of learning disability that affects a person's ability to process and interpret auditory information. Individuals with auditory processing disorder may have difficulty with following directions, distinguishing sounds, and understanding speech in noisy environments. This can make it challenging for them to understand and communicate with others. Language processing disorder is a type of learning disability that affects a person's ability to understand and use language. Individuals with language processing disorder may have difficulty with grammar, vocabulary, and understanding figurative language. This can make it challenging for them to communicate effectively with others. Nonverbal learning disabilities is a type of learning disability that affects a person's ability to understand and use nonverbal communication. Individuals with nonverbal learning disabilities may have difficulty with spatial orientation, social skills, and interpreting body language. This can make it challenging for them to navigate social situations and understand nonverbal cues. Visual perceptual/visual motor deficit is a type of learning disability that affects a person's ability to coordinate their visual and motor skills. Individuals with visual perceptual/visual motor deficit may have difficulty with hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and spatial awareness. This can make it challenging for them to complete tasks that require visual and motor coordination, such as writing or drawing. Overall, it is important to understand that each type of learning disability is unique and can present differently in each individual. It is important to identify and diagnose learning disabilities early on so that appropriate interventions and accommodations can be provided to help individuals overcome their challenges and succeed in school and life. Once you understand what learning disabilities are and the types that exist, it's important to know how to identify them. The first step in identifying a learning disability is to recognize the signs and symptoms that a person may exhibit. Some common indicators of learning disabilities include difficulty reading, writing, and performing basic math. You may notice that the individual struggles to complete homework assignments or has trouble following directions in the classroom. There are several methods that can be used to detect learning disabilities, including standardized tests, observations, and interviews with teachers, parents, and the individual themselves. Early intervention is crucial for individuals with learning disabilities, so it's important to identify them as soon as possible. The importance of early intervention cannot be overstated. When a learning disability is identified early, it allows for the implementation of strategies and interventions that can help the individual succeed in school and beyond. With the right support, individuals with learning disabilities can thrive academically and personally, and achieve their full potential. So, if you suspect that you or someone you know may have a learning disability, don't hesitate to seek help. The sooner you identify and address the issue, the better the outcome will be. Identifying learning disabilities can be challenging, but there are methods that can help. These methods may include standardized testing, informal assessments, and observation of behavior and performance in the classroom. Teachers, parents, and healthcare professionals can all play a role in detecting learning disabilities. Early intervention is crucial when it comes to learning disabilities. Research has shown that the earlier a learning disability is identified and addressed, the better the outcomes for the individual. Early intervention can include educational programs, therapy, and other interventions designed to address the specific needs of the individual. With early intervention, individuals with learning disabilities can develop the skills and strategies they need to succeed in school and beyond. It is important to remember that identifying a learning disability is not a label, but rather a way to understand and support the unique needs of each individual. Now that we have a basic understanding of the different types of learning disabilities, let's talk about some of the signs that may indicate a learning disability. It's important to note that these signs may vary depending on the specific learning disability and the individual. However, some common signs of learning disabilities include persistent difficulties in reading, writing, arithmetic, or mathematical reasoning, inaccurate or slow and effortful reading or writing, poor written expression that lacks clarity, difficulties remembering number facts, inaccurate mathematical reasoning. If you or your child is experiencing any of these signs, it may be helpful to seek professional assessment and support. Early intervention and support can make a significant difference in addressing learning disabilities and helping individuals achieve their full potential. In the next section, we'll discuss some signs of specific learning disabilities in detail. One of the signs of a specific learning disability is persistent difficulties in reading, writing, arithmetic, or mathematical reasoning. This can manifest as a difficulty in decoding words, understanding written text, or performing mathematical calculations. Students with learning disabilities may struggle to keep up with their peers in these areas, despite effort and support. Another sign of a specific learning disability is inaccurate or slow and effortful reading or writing. Students with learning disabilities may struggle with word recognition, reading fluency, spelling, or grammar. They may also have difficulty expressing their thoughts in writing, which can impact their overall academic performance. Poor written expression that lacks clarity is also a sign of a specific learning disability. This can manifest as difficulty organizing ideas, using appropriate grammar and syntax, or conveying information in a clear and concise manner. Students with learning disabilities may require additional support and accommodations to develop their writing skills. Difficulties remembering number facts is a sign of a specific learning disability in math. This can include difficulty with basic math operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as difficulty with more complex mathematical concepts. Students with learning disabilities in math may require additional support and accommodations to develop their mathematical skills. Inaccurate mathematical reasoning is another sign of a specific learning disability in math. Students with learning disabilities in math may have difficulty understanding and applying mathematical concepts, making it challenging for them to solve problems or complete mathematical tasks. They may require additional support and accommodations to develop their mathematical reasoning skills. Overall, it is important to recognize the signs of specific learning disabilities and provide appropriate interventions and accommodations to help students overcome their challenges and reach their full potential. In this section, we will delve deeper into the impact that learning disabilities can have on an individual's academic and personal success, as well as their emotional well-being. We will also explore strategies to support individuals with learning disabilities, which can help them achieve their full potential. It is important to understand how learning disabilities can affect individuals, as it can help us provide them with the necessary tools and support to succeed. So, let's dive in and gain a better understanding of learning disabilities. Learning disabilities can significantly impact academic and personal success. Students with learning disabilities may struggle with reading, writing, math, and other academic tasks, which can impact their ability to succeed in school. This, in turn, can affect their self-esteem, motivation, and overall well-being. It is important to recognize the challenges faced by students with learning disabilities and provide appropriate support to help them overcome these challenges. In addition to the academic challenges, learning disabilities can also have a significant emotional impact. Students with learning disabilities may experience feelings of frustration, discouragement, and low self-esteem. They may also struggle with anxiety, depression, and other mental health concerns. It is important to provide emotional support and resources to help students with learning disabilities cope with their challenges. There are many strategies that can be used to support individuals with learning disabilities. This may include accommodations such as extra time on tests or access to assistive technology. It may also involve targeted interventions such as individualized instruction or therapy. Additionally, it is important to foster a supportive and inclusive learning environment that values and respects the diverse learning needs of all students. By providing these supports and strategies, we can help individuals with learning disabilities succeed academically and personally. Now that we have discussed the various types of learning disabilities and how to identify them, let's move on to the important topic of overcoming learning disabilities. While learning disabilities can present challenges, they can be overcome with the right strategies and support. In this section, we will explore various approaches to help individuals with learning disabilities reach their full potential. So let's get started. Accommodations and modifications in the learning environment can help individuals with learning disabilities overcome their challenges. These may include adjustments to the classroom environment such as preferential seating or reduced distractions. Additionally, instructional accommodations may include extra time on assignments or the use of alternative formats. By providing these accommodations, we can help students with learning disabilities access the curriculum and demonstrate their knowledge. Assistive technology can be a powerful tool in helping individuals with learning disabilities overcome their challenges. This may include software or apps that support reading, writing, or math skills, as well as tools that enhance communication or organization. By leveraging these technologies, we can help individuals with learning disabilities access information, complete tasks, and achieve their academic and personal goals. Personalized instruction can be a key component in helping individuals with learning disabilities overcome their challenges. This may involve one-on-one instruction, small group instruction, or individualized learning plans that are tailored to the student's specific needs. By providing personalized instruction, we can help students with learning disabilities build skills, gain confidence, and achieve academic success. Support services such as counseling, therapy, or peer mentoring can be critical in helping individuals with learning disabilities overcome their challenges. These services can provide emotional support, build social skills, and help individuals with learning disabilities navigate the academic and personal challenges they may face. By providing support services, we can help individuals with learning disabilities build resilience, overcome obstacles, and achieve their full potential. Now, we will discuss about treatment for learning disabilities, which is the most crucial part of our video. It's essential to understand that learning disabilities are not something that can be cured with a simple remedy, but there are several treatment options available that can help individuals overcome the challenges they face. A multifaceted approach to treatment is the most effective way to address learning disabilities. This approach includes working with specialized educators and therapists who understand the unique needs of individuals with learning disabilities. With personalized instruction and support services, individuals with learning disabilities can achieve their academic and personal goals. We'll be discussing some successful interventions in this section that can help individuals with learning disabilities lead fulfilling and productive lives. So, let's dive in and explore the different treatment options available for individuals with learning disabilities. A multifaceted approach to treatment is often necessary for individuals with learning disabilities. This may involve working with a team of professionals, including educators, therapists, and medical providers, to develop a comprehensive treatment plan. Treatment may involve a range of interventions, including academic accommodations, behavioral strategies, and assistive technology. By taking a multifaceted approach to treatment, we can help individuals with learning disabilities build skills, overcome challenges, and achieve success. Working with specialized educators and therapists can be an important component of treatment for individuals with learning disabilities. These professionals have specialized training and expertise in working with individuals with learning disabilities and can provide tailored instruction, support, and guidance. By working with these professionals, we can help individuals with learning disabilities build skills, gain confidence, and achieve success. There are many examples of successful interventions for individuals with learning disabilities. These may include academic interventions such as specialized instruction or assistive technology, as well as behavioral interventions such as social skills training or counseling. By providing these interventions, we can help individuals with learning disabilities build skills, gain confidence, and achieve success in academics and personal pursuits. In this video, we have discussed learning disabilities, their causes, types, and ways to identify them. We have also explored the emotional impact of learning disabilities and strategies to support individuals with learning disabilities. In addition, we have discussed various interventions and treatments for individuals with learning disabilities. By understanding these key points, we can better support individuals with learning disabilities in achieving success. To all individuals with learning disabilities, we want to encourage you to keep working towards your goals. With the right support and interventions, you can achieve success in academics and personal pursuits. You are not alone in this journey, and there are many resources and professionals available to help you overcome challenges and achieve your dreams. It's important that we all work towards increasing understanding and support for individuals with learning disabilities. By educating ourselves and others, we can create a more inclusive society where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Let's work together to support individuals with learning disabilities and ensure that they have the resources and accommodations they need to achieve success. Thank you for watching this video on learning disabilities. We hope that you found it informative and helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the Research Schoolboy Wala YouTube channel. Follow us on social media. Visit our website and watch more informative videos. Together, we can continue to learn, grow, and support individuals with learning disabilities.